In this video, you will learn if foundation repairs can really increase your home's value, and if so, how much. So, maybe you want to take full advantage of the bull market. Bet it all on black. Sell your home, burn your cell, and retire to Hawaii sipping on pina coladas on the beach. But there's one problem. Your home's foundation is in less than stellar condition, or perhaps you're considering purchasing a home with a busted foundation or even a recently fixed foundation, and you want to know if it's worth the investment. So we created this short video to explain it all for you. The truth, foundation repair always increases a home's value. A failed foundation can affect the home's value anywhere from 10% to 20% of your home's total value. If your home is worth $350,000, then you may only receive $280,000. That's a difference of $70,000. The average foundation repair cost with Dalinghaus construction in 2021 is $24,000. Meaning, in this scenario, if you utilize foundation repair, you could put back $46,000 into your pina colada budget. There are three primary ways you can increase your home's value: structural integrity repairs or fixes, cosmetic repairs or enhancements, and warranties attached with the repairs that were made. Structural integrity is a key and is obviously imperative to the overall value of the home. Therefore, foundation repair is worth it if just for the privilege of living in your home without worry about foundation failure, extensive enough to force you out of your home at a later time. Some signs and symptoms that point to a home experiencing compromised structural integrity are sloping floors, cracks throughout the drywall, stucco, tile, or cement slab itself, sticking doors and windows, and leaning kitchen cabinets. The truth is, remodeling equals more cash. However, here's a kicker. Remodels that are completed before a home with a failing foundation is stabilized or lifted back into place are more than likely going to have you spending additional funds to redo or repair some items in your newly remodeled house. Those cracks you patched up will come back. Those new cabinets you put in will begin to pull away like the old ones. And the sloped floors you fixed with self-leveler will continue to sink. Remodels can add significant value to your home. A bathroom remodel can add 5% to your home's total value, and a full kitchen remodel can add up to an additional 5%. If your home is worth $300,000, that's an additional $30,000 in your pocket for just those 2 rooms of your home. Many foundation repair companies offer warranties. Here at Dalinghaus Construction Inc., we offer a lifetime warranty that is transferable upon sale or inheritance. So that means the warranty will outlive you. It's attached to the home for the life of the home. So now that you know foundation repairs really do increase the value of your home, please check out our website. At the top right, there is a Get Started button where you can start a free inspection process. Thank you for watching the video. Remember to never settle for less cash in your pocket.